What's up, everyone? It's Rick here with UTV Source. I'm with Tube Socks Steve, and we're at Shock Therapy. How's it going, buddy?
Not bad, man. It's a great show. Awesome turnout. Beautiful weather. Couldn't be happier.
I gotta ask, what's new? What's coming? Where are we at?
All right, guys. So today we're at the 2024 Sandsport Super Show. Lots of people. It's awesome. A couple new things coming out from Shock Therapy right now. We did release the Firminator. The Firminator is basically an you-know-what button. Push firm as you're going through anything. Firms the shocks right up, able to get through whatever you need. But one big thing that is a big complaint with a lot of customers is going to be body wear. Body wear is a huge problem across all manufacturers. And that's why a lot of manufacturers are putting a steel wear sleeve on it. So what we're coming out with is a steel wear sleeve that goes across all shock platforms. So that should hopefully be coming out in like the next month. But it's a brand new crossover design with the wear sleeve on it. And it's going to eliminate all body wear, which is a lot of problems that people are having.
Is that a universal?
It is going to be universal. It's going to fit all size shocks. So we have it for 2.0s, 2.1s, 2.5s, 2.55s, 3.0s, 3.05s. Literally every shock we're going to have it for. So be on the lookout for that. Like I said, probably about a month. Everything's in production right now, though.
We'll be the first to know, right?
Yeah, you will be my first call. You will be my first call.
So besides that, we got anything else coming, or?
Right now, we did just release also the Mav R. We do have the Mav R rack upgrade kit, which is a great upgrade to do. There has been some issues in the steering with the two bolts that hold the knuckle in, the center link in, shearing. We've basically come up with an idea that has a pin and a traction tooth design to where it puts all that load on those teeth and not on that bolt.
Okay.
So we're not having any shearing problems. So that's going to be a new upgrade that is available right now. But yeah, that is a design that we just came up with and released last week.
That's pretty trick. And I know you got one more little trick up your sleeve with sway bars.
Yes, we do.
This is what I'm excited about. We were talking about this a long time ago.
Yeah, so last year it was a little bit of a buzz, and this year it's becoming a reality. We now have the FOX QSE link, front and rear for the the Pro R. What it is, it's basically a link that you can turn on or off. So you turn it on when you're going through whoops or going through aggressive style riding, and then let's just say you want to turn off and go rock climbing or rock crawling with your buddies. Turn that link off, and it gives you a lot more articulation on that shock. So it's a really cool system. Like I said, it's on or off, but we just came out with that. So that's next week we're dropping. I mean, it's dropping here at the show, but next week it should go live.
And if you look behind us, we're here at Upfit too.
Yes, so we are here at Upfit. We have a few cars on display. We also, right behind us, behind Rick, we have the new 2025 Pro R. Pretty badass. Right behind that is the 24. Some of the differences in the car is pretty incredible. I love the new doors. The new body style on it is amazing.
Lower dash,
everything. I mean, it's a really sleek design. Really love it.
Man, Steve, I see this guy all the time. I just randomly pop in. We got Dom over here too. Hiding. Big dog Dom.
Hello.
It's a vibe out here, and these guys are awesome, and we love it, and we have a lot of fun, dude.
We do. Always love when you come around, Rick. That's always something.
There's a lot of editing when I come around with you.
A lot of editing and a lot of beeping.
No. All right, buddy. Well, I appreciate your time today.
You got it. Yeah, guys.
It's always a good vibe.
Yeah, no, thanks for coming out, and thanks for hanging out. And guys, hopefully you're having a good time at the Sandsport Super Show 2024.
Remember, guys, life's a ride. Make it your own.